Right, this episode is all about the back seat in the Rally Mini. Now, I don't exactly know what I want to put in the back seat. I'm thinking maybe the fire extinguisher when I get it. The battery needs to go there, and who knows what else I want to put on the back seat. So I want to make that section there modular. I've made these aluminium plates, and what I want to do is have some form of captive nuts welded to the seat pan, so that I can bolt whatever I want onto these plates, and then with 4 bolts waz it in, and when I change the thing I can just drill holes into this rather than adding more holes to the floor. It's taken a few attempts to get it right, so let's see what I did. Run VT. Okay, take 2. This time I've got box section. I've welded on those captive nuts, and I've slowly sort of fitted it to the car to make sure that it's nice and flat. Obviously each one of these pillars is a different height. Why is that? Well, next time you're in your classic Mini, lift up the rear seat and look at the profile of the panel underneath. It's a weird shape, so for this to be level and flat in the back of the car, yes, 4 different size pillars. Oh well, let's stick it in. No, it's not working. I don't like it. I'm going to do something different. not a bad bit of fabrication if I say so myself. I think that deserves lemon squash.